Well, guys, as I said, CNC machining. This is another area of my life that I'm so passionate about, that I actually love so much. Because I like taking pieces of metal and turning it into just functional bits and pieces that people can use through their daily life. So this is a 1" by 5/8 piece of aluminum bar, and we're going to turn it into this little hinge. And this is for a RC helicopter, and it's for Steve Hodges, his Roban Apache that is just killer in detail as it comes from the factory, right? I mean, it's already like here, but Steve is going to take it way up here, right? Just because that's his level of detail and his passion for the RC community. I mean, the guy is just awesome. So I've helped him with some design work and like CAD work, and he's helped me a lot with just getting to the hobby and answering questions, CGs and battery types to go into planes. Like we were just talking about the Mirage the other night. So this is going to be cool. I've already made 2 of the what I call the single hinge because it has a single mating point. We're about to make the second. This is going to be two ops to get the general shape. There'll be a third op, and that's for drilling the holes and the countersink, excuse me, on it. So sit down, relax, because this is going to be awesome. So awesome. I love my job. So since I'm only making 2 of these, I'm not going to go through the detail of like making fixtures or anything of that nature. I actually was surprised to see how easy, in a sense, to hold on to these. Basically, I just slowed my speeds and feeds down and was able to knock these things out. And it leaves me time to not have to babysit the machine. I can just hit go and go do other things. But let's get started. So here is the final product assembled just for pre-fit, and I could not be any more excited. Now I am using the actual drill because the smooth portion will be the drill shank, or that's what we're using for drill rod for the actual pin. Or you can just take a drill bit, cut it, and then just cut it to size. But look at that, almost 270 degrees. Shuts flush. Boom. Boom shakalaka. So gotta make another one of these pieces and ship it off to Steve and let him do his magic. But this is what I love, because this is 100% designed and fabricated by myself, and just being able to help somebody else out and helping their ideas come to life. This is what I really enjoy about this job shop work. So thanks. Well, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video. I hope I've brought and shed some light as far as machining to the RC community. And again, I love the fact that I solved the problem. With Steve's help, he gave me a space constraints and what he wanted. I put it into CAD real quick, sent him the file so he could 3D print it, so he could be able to test it out just to see, hey, will this work? Once I got to go ahead, just ran with it, and it turned out great. And I know people are like, "What, Dustin? It's just a hinge." Yes, it is just a hinge, but it's a hinge that I designed. It's a hinge that solved the problem that wasn't available on the market to meet within his space constraints. And really, the only thing left I got to do is drill the hole in the countersink for the flathead screw. But that's easy. I just got to make another one little piece, and I can ship these off to Steve. So take care, guys, gals. Have a good one. Please hit that bell notification so you can stay up to date as far as when I release new content. Subscribe and leave me a comment below. Again, thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.